Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money from Pixabay website just by uploading videos using your Android mobile phone. So viewers, what you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get started.
So viewers, first of all you have to go to Google browser, and then in the Google search box you have to type Pixabay, and then you have to search for it. After that you can see in blue color text Pixabay is displayed, and the link for it is https://pixabay.com. So what you have to do is tap on the blue text Pixabay, and you can see that the website has been loaded, and then you have to tap on the three horizontal lines icon, which is also known as the hamburger menu icon, and then you have to tap on join, and then you have to scroll down and enter the username which you want to be displayed when your account will be registered on Pixabay. So I will type Saad space Zaman, and then you have to type the email for the account registration on Pixabay. After that you have to type password, and then viewers, you can see at the bottom you can see there is a green button appearing, but I can't see it. So what you have to do is simply tap on it, because somehow it is showing up. It may be due to a Pixabay error in the website. So viewers, as I tapped on it, you can see it has displayed an error, which is only letters capital A to Z, small a to Z, numbers or underscore are only allowed. You can't enter spaces or special characters. So I will finish the space between my username and also add some numbers to it so that the username can be unique. So as I added 1122, and I can show you if I for example don't add 1122 and tap on the green button, you can see that the Pixabay has displayed this username is already taken. So I will add numbers 1112 and then again tap on the green button. You can see that the Pixabay has now sent me a confirmation email to my Gmail, which I typed for the account registration on Pixabay. So viewers, what you have to do is go to Gmail, and then you have to simply log in with that account on Gmail, which you used to register on account on Pixabay. So in my case it was this Gmail account, and you can see I have received the confirmation email from Pixabay. So I will tap on it, and then viewers, you can see as I scroll down, hello Sazaman 1112, you are one step away from joining Pixabay, the best place to share and download free amazing media. Confirm your email and be part of our awesome community. So what you have to do is viewers, tap on this confirm your email button, and then viewers, you can see as I tapped on it, I have been gone to settings, so and a pop-up appears which is welcome aboard Saad Zaman 112. You are the newest member of Pixabay, a community for sharing outstanding images and videos. We are excited to have you and can't wait to see your pictures. You may use Pixabay without uploading any images. However, if you choose to contribute, the site will be ad free for you. So what you have to do is tap on the edit profile button, which you can see is at the left side and is in green color. So you have to simply tap on the edit profile button, and then viewers, you have to simply enter the personal data about yourself. For example, as username is already added by you, so you have to upload the picture or select the gender, or you can add the first name, last name, city, country, date of birth, and something about yourself in few words. And you can also add the links of your online profiles, for example Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, SoundCloud, YouTube, or if you have created any website, you can also add its link here also. And then you can also change the email address, and you can also enable, disable comments or private messages, and you can also enable or disable email notifications for private messages, send me latest news and tips, send me important notifications, notify me of new comments, notify me of new images uploaded by friends. So if I tap on this checkbox, and now it is disabled, and if I tap on it again, you can see that the email notification for this has been enabled. And after that, the main part comes, which will be the reason behind receiving donations. So it is basically the text field for adding the PayPal address or merchant ID. So viewers, you must have PayPal address or merchant ID if you want to receive cash in your account. So if you have, so you must type it here, and then you can also change the password and also can delete the account. So it's your choice how you use your Pixabay account. So after doing all these changes, you have to simply save the settings by tapping on this green button. So viewers, as I tapped on it, you can see Pixabay has displayed that the data has been saved. So viewers, now I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on your account. So what you have to do is tap on your profile icon, and then you have to tap on the upload, and then viewers, you can see there are 7 uploads remaining this week. Learn more
Means that I can upload 7 of my content this week.
So you can see that the supported file types for photos and vectors are JPG, PNG, PSD, AI and SVG images up to 40 MB with at least 3000 pixels along one side. So you can read the image quality guidelines. For videos, you can upload MPEG, MOV and AVI videos up to 300 MB and a minimum resolution of 1920 x 800 pixels, and clips should be no longer than 60 seconds. You can also read the video quality guidelines. For the music also, there are music quality guidelines, you can read it. And the important tags for which the Pixabay required media is, for example, Elon Musk, Metaverse, and there are also many other tags. You can see them all. So yeah, and then viewers, you have to simply tap on the learn more to know about
More about the guidelines of Pixabay.
uploads on Pixabay quality over quantity. Pixabay limits weekly uploads so that all submissions can be properly reviewed by our team. The limit is determined by the quality of your work. The higher the quality, the more you are able to upload. So you can read these, which are updated February 8, 2022.
You can see that Pixabay editors evaluate each submission manually. So viewers, there are also the guidelines for new users.
The new users are limited to 7 submissions per week. This is the base limit, but this may increase depending on the quality of your succeeding uploads. So if a good number of your submissions are approved, your upload limit can be increased to 30 submissions per week. If more than half of your submissions are approved, your upload limit can be raised to 90 submissions per week. So your upload limit will be reflected on your upload page. So viewers, these are the limits which Pixabay has added. So now it depends how you deal with these policies. If you upload good content, so you will be given more advantages. So if you want to upload a video on Pixabay, you have to simply tap on the select files green button, and then you can upload the content related to videos. It's your choice. So viewers, you can also upload music, images, but as I also added in the thumbnail that this video is about earning money from Pixabay just by uploading videos, so I will upload a video on Pixabay. So for example, I upload my this video, so you can see its size is more than 300 MB. So Pixabay has directly showed me up the error, so I can't upload that video due to its large size. So you have to upload the videos, pictures or music which are in the range which Pixabay has allowed in its supported file types. So you can read it out. So viewers, now I am going to show you how you can earn money from Pixabay. So the main part is all about it. So for example, if I am a user and
Visit Pixabay website.
and then for example I search for uh, video in the videos category, for example car, okay, so I'm going to type it. For example, I enter car and I want videos related to it, so I will type it and then I will search for it. You can see that the videos has been displayed, and if I for example select this one which is
In HD.
and then you can see that the option has been appeared free download. So viewers, when you will upload videos on Pixabay, so there will be option to download it for free for the viewers who come on Pixabay and search for it. So now comes the earning part. For example, this username is Mike's Photography and he has uploaded 34 videos. For example, I liked his this video and I want to
Support him. So I tap on this green coffee button. You can see it's close to it, and as I tapped on it, you can see that the PayPal website has been opened. So you can see it's written donate to automotive photography @ gmail.com, and I can enter the amount whichever I like. For example, I like to pay this person 1.99 US dollar, and I can make this a monthly donation also, and I can donate this amount and transfer this amount to this user account by donating with PayPal or donating with a debit card or credit card. So viewers, like this you can earn money on Pixabay. So in other words, you can also earn money online by, if a viewer who come on this video and he wants this person to make a video which he prefer him, so on order, so he may contact him on Gmail and he can hire this person and say him that make this type of video for me and I will pay you. So you can also earn money like this online because the person liked
the skills which you have in making videos.
So like this viewers, you can also earn money online. So viewers, these were the ways you can earn money online. One from the Pixabay and the other I which told you that the person who come to your videos on Pixabay and wants to hire you to make a specific video for him. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. Share it and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.